Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be giving you a 360 exterior tour on this Range Rover Sport P575 SVR Carbon Edition. All our approved used cars come with a 12-month warranty and 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you'd like to contact us about this car, you can phone us on 01785 899 446. So to start off with, I'll show you around the exterior first before heading inside for those high-tech features. So as you can see, this car is in Eiger grey. It's had one previous owner. You can also see the pixel LED headlights as well as the carbon fibre bonnet, making this car look very sporty, as well as 22-inch alloys in a 5 split spoke design with a gloss black finish with the red calipers nicely hidden away. As we head to the back, you can see that the back of the car has privacy glass, and you can also see the lovely ebony leather interior. The middle seat folds down to provide 2 cup holders for either passenger, or to act as an armrest, so you could simply fold it away to carry that 5th passenger. As we move to the boot, you can see that this is a powered tailgate, meaning you can open your boot by a simple press of the button. You can also see it's a very spacious boot, so this would be ideal to fit several large suitcases in here. And you can simply close it again by a simple press. You can also see that this car has a black contrast roof standing out very nicely against the grey. Moving to the front now, as we pan across the dash, you can see your multifunctional steering wheel as well as your integrated entertainment display. And yet again we can see that lovely upholstery. You can see that it has integrated headrests as well, just to finish that sporty look. That's it for our exterior and interior tour. Let's head inside for those high-tech features. So to start off with, this car does in fact have a sliding panoramic sunroof. This is good for allowing all the natural light possible into the car. The front seats are also memory seats, so this is ideal if this car will have more than one driver. You also have your electric wing mirror controls as well as window controls, as well as the upgraded Meridian sound system, making all your favourite songs sound 10 times better. On the right hand side of your wheel, you have your lane assist as well as heated steering wheel control and cruise control options. On the left hand side, you have your hands-free options, your voice control option and your customisation button. Taking a look at the dash now. This car has done 15,057 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You can also scroll through the different settings on here to find different things, or you could change your information panel to see what you would like to see. So for instance, it was on map, but you could have trip summary, media, or your driver assistance showing. So now you can see what radio station is on. As we go to the multimedia entertainment display, you have your navigation system. This can help you plan your journeys. As you can see, it says low on fuel. So the car is trying to tell you and help you plan your journey so you get plenty of fuel whilst on the way. You also have your DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a rear camera helping eliminate what could potentially be in your blind spot. This car also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning you can connect your mobile to the car and you could either use Apple Maps or Google Maps. This car also has Ambience Lightings, which is found throughout the car, so you could change to what colour you would like, making the car more personal to you. This car also has several different driving modes, good for all terrain, as well as heated seats. You can also control the climate from this screen, so you can choose where the blowers are blowing to. You can also control the climate in the back of the car as well. The climate in the front of the car is a dual climate control system, meaning both the driver and passenger can be kept at comfortable temperatures. Hidden away nicely under this carbon fibre is 2 cup holders, and if you gently push them out the way, you have a hidden storage compartment and a 5-volt socket. In your centre console, you have a refrigerator compartment. Thank you for watching this video. All our approved used cars come with a 12-month warranty and 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. We offer different finance packages and personalised quotes. If you'd like to phone up to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 446.